see. You know what you guys with so is today is a very sad day. It's the final flight of my ch46 C9. So we are going to start with the helicopter. Currently it's starting up its rotors for the last time. Here we go. Okay, it's in full throttle now. It's going to take off. We'll check its landing gear. Okay, landing gear. It's like an Amtrak. It's like an Amtrak. Okay, there now. And you can hear the clouds cheering for it. Beautiful landing. Beautiful takeoff, beautiful landing. So it's going to shut the engine down. And now it is going to be parked near a hangar near Las Vegas McCarran International Airport. There it is. Okay, now braking. Okay, so I'll first pay a special tribute to my beloved helicopter, the ch46. First, before I'm gonna take a moment of silence in honor of it. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So now we are going to take a look at the replay of the last flight of the ch46 C9. It took off so early, and then it retracted its landing gear, and then it flew, and then a GoPro was on the ground, and it flew past it overhead. It flew overhead, and then it approached its landing base, and then the engines were shut down. And then I'm gonna give you another tribute to my helicopter. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See now, let's show you the video. So we are retiring it. This is the review of the last flight of the ch46.